That's the clock. It's got the weight chain that's got stuck inside the man clock, so you can listen to it, okay. Yeah, you can have this man on hitting his bell. Yep. Because we're going to put on YouTube. I'm sorry that the weight on the right hand side is not working. Hang on. So there's my man clock there, what I've got last year or before COVID, I think. There you are, he's still there working. It only goes for a few minutes, but the weight behind the chain has got stuck. That's why it stops every so often. So that's the blacksmith's wall clock with 2 weights. It's not working at the moment, and that one's just struck 11, that one there, and that's a different sort, so you can have that on there as well. Yep, that's the pendulum. Only swings a little bit. This one still keeps more or less good time, and it's the 29th of September 2023 on a Friday evening, just coming up towards midnight in another hour. So this is going on my YouTube channel for all my friends to see what a man clock looks like. It's nice to see them because you don't see many of these with the automatons and anvils, clock, chimes. So on there's a thing and it locks it when you don't want to listen to it striking. It only does the hourly, that one on this side. And that's my bell ringing rug in my bedroom. I got from Southwark Cathedral when I went on holiday a long time ago. Yep. So you can see what I've got in my flat, in my bedroom. So you can see it's a tailor's bell ringing rug. I got that from a friend called can't remember her name now. From Southwark Cathedral. So and about me, how I've altered my ways as a little boy, we're going to do now. That's me when I was very little, at age 5. At Moll Green Junior School is that. My baby teeth in my mouth then. I was about 5 then, and I was living with my mum and dad then in Moll Green in Huddersfield. Now that's me again when I was about about 9 years old then, and I used to pluck my hair out there because I didn't want a fringe on my forehead, so that's why I used to cut my hair with scissors, and I used to use house draw knives to cut my hair with at home when I was younger, and I used to get in a lot of trouble for doing that. And that's me at Longley School, age 9 years old I think. So I'm just letting you see how my life has changed over the last 44 years. So we can see that. So that when I draw in those pictures like that, that's called the changes of my past. Is that? Yes. So that's what that's telling you. So I used to be a nice boy, very friendly and very happy all the time then. Very happy to meet new people then, so that's my mantel clock. See, on Westminster chime at the moment. It still ticks fine, so and this one here is, hang on just a minute, me with my mum at my sister's house, Sue's and Guy Draper's house, so you can have that as well. That was before COVID in lockdown, the year before COVID in lockdown. Then after that she passed away then, 23rd of January then, I think, one of the years. That's my mum sat on the sofa on the other side of me. Right. And that's how I look now, with a bald head, smiling and cheerful, having a nice Christmas with my brother-in-law and my sister Sue Draper there. And then after that, in February, March 2000, COVID broke out and then we were all in lockdown. And that wasn't nice, so I hope that never happens again. But I had to just get through it with my heaviest, strongest power in my world. So I do miss you, Mum, you know. I miss your laughs and I miss your talks, don't I, eh? So I'm sorry you're not with us anymore, I'm afraid, Mum. So you've done a lot for me over the last 22 years while she was here. You have. So you've been a good mother to me. Yes, you have. You've been brilliant. So this is about me and my changes. That's my brother-in-law Michael. That's Leslie, my sister in Harlow, who lives near Hoddesdon. And that's Sue, my other sister in Huddersfield Rawthorpe. So if you can't see it properly, I'll move it, you can see better with a bit of light behind it. And that's me and my dad. And he's Scottish and he came from Dundee. So he used to say to me, I say, Dad, do you want to come to Almonbury bellringing with me, please? I'm not going anywhere. Why? I'm not going nowhere. Why not? I'm staying in. I'm too old to go anywhere. Me travelling you around everywhere, driving you everywhere. What? You heard? He used to say that a lot, did my dad, so... But we're friends. So what else did he used to say to me? I said, Dad, please come up the tower. I'm not going up no bell tower. Why? Because I'm not. I'm too old. I'm not interested in bells. They're boring. You might like them, but I don't like bells. Okay, okay. And I said to Dad, oh, I'm coming home on Saturday and Sunday to sleep. You're not sleeping here. You are not coming here. Why? Because you don't live here now. You live at Grandsmere. Well, I'm moving in with you. You're not moving here. You can get that out of your head now. That's what he says to me now and again, but I'm just winding him up and teasing him. But we're friends, like everyone else. And that's Michael, my brother-in-law. That's Leslie, my sister. She lives in Harlow. And that's Sue, my sister Sue, my mum's daughter, Sue Draper. So you can go and have a look at this one. Go on, off you go. That was my dad and my mum and dad when she was a lot younger then. Sorry. So you can have that on my YouTube. That's my dad when he was a lot younger then. This is just me and my family and how I've changed and how my mum has changed and before getting ill and being very unwell. So I'll show you that. So that's why we're doing a YouTube channel. So those are my clocks on the wall. Hopefully the one at the far end will be fixed soon. It's just the weight that's got stuck because I think I pulled it up too hard and that's why I stopped it from striking the hourly and half hour. I don't think it's broken as such. So I like clocks a lot because when they chime or strike every 15 minutes and when I'm bell ringing in a tower and I follow a different bell, it means it's like watching the hammers hitting the bars or the figures hitting the bells on the clock in Leeds, at Thornton's Arcade in Leeds, like that one there if you look closely. So that's what that reminds me of. Like when you ring code changers and you're ringing titums and kings and grandsire and playing Bob, it's like changing the it's like doing the quarter chimes, quarter, half past, quarter to, and your full chime on the hour and then a strike afterwards. That's what these chiming clocks remind me of, and it helps my brain know what number to follow on the bell, whether bell I ring is the treble, second, third, fourth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Even like Halifax Minster, these numbers help me because I can't follow ziggly lines and methods like that, so I use these and that helps me follow the person next to me. Or when I ring the third to grandsire on 6 bells, but there's a cover bell. When I go over 1 and 2, 4 and 5, then I think it's a lead, and then it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 1 2 4 5 4 5 lead lead, and then 1 2, and then it comes back into rounds, and that's what these numbers are there for on these clocks, to help me. So that's why I'm a good bell ringer in that order. Or when I look at somebody else, or I use patterns like shapes, or I use oblongs or squares. I use my eyes to move my head round to follow the method, like playing hunt or grandsire or stuff like that. So that's what it's all about in bell ringing. That's how I find it brilliant in bell ringing, and I like going bell ringing a lot. It's nice. But I'm showing you my clocks because you haven't seen this one yet, so you can see it. That's a chain driven clock, is that. Here it comes. That means it's stopped already, the clock, because it's not working properly, but I'm going to try and get it fixed so it'll be working with that one. Yes. So don't worry about it, I'm going to try and get it going. Right. This is my bedroom on the top floor, number 6. There I am again, with a bald head, the different changes in me. That's Lindley, tenor bell that. Came in 1874 from Tales of Loughborough. That one is couldnt. It used to be a 6 bell tower one time, but the old 6 went to Samback. And then we got them from Tales of Loughborough to go to couldnt, and this one is Great George in Liverpool Cathedral. It's only on special occasions like the Eucharist and Christmas. And that's my own home tower we're having on the Sunday morning Friday practice now we've just come from tonight. That one. New clock faces there. This is where I do my artwork, and I like to do my artwork for the churches and...
Did you want any friends again, Stuart?
Yeah.
Go on then.
I'm busy, I'm doing a YouTube.
Come on, before I put this away.
I'm busy, sorry.
No,
I'm doing a YouTube.
you can't be doing a YouTube.
I am. That's the cathedral in the background of Bowl Power Station in 1990s. This is where I like doing my artwork. Up on my landing, upstairs my flat. Shh. That's me. This is my art shop upstairs on the landing. There's my two clocks. Look like Halifax Minster. This is my landing with my friends up here. These clocks are still going very well, Graham, I think. So this is where I sleep on my landing, and that's my room. You can see my bedroom, but I won't video the other one because it's private. So this is where I do my artwork, on the landing here, this bit. This is my art shop. So you can see how good I am at drawing church windows and cooling towers and tennis court fences with holes in. So that's Bold Power Station before they blew them up, near Fiddler's Ferry near Liverpool. So that's the cathedral at the back, over the fields on a clear day, and that's the other one, Paddy's Wigwam, there. So thank you for the YouTube channel. So you've got my clocks. I'm on the top floor. I've got a window up there. So okay.